Ismael, guys. Yeah, kuya.
Oh, kuya.
Si Bonso, ay. Oh, love you. Oh, ay, Kuya Yusuf. Oh, ay, Kuya Yusuf. Ano? Ay, gusto na. Ikaw naman pag ini-swaddle ka, wala akong kalikot-likot. Eh, no? No? Tatay swaddle you? You're not likot? Yeah? Yes po. Oo. Ay. Kuya, just wait lang po. For baby smile po. Yeah.
Teacher's curious.
Oo. Kuya, wait. Kuya, iso likod yan.
Very good, tatay.
Yes po, nanay. Look at me. Swada na siya, guys. Ganyan talaga. Sana yan lang. No? Ano? Ay, nag-burp. You burp. Masya Allah. Are you going to sleep na, ha? I love you. And going to put you down. Okay, and good night. I love you, baby.
Ayaw pa.
Okay. Love you. I will show you where to buy the toys. Come on. Go, run. Run. Go. I saw the toys already. Go.
Yeah. I will go at the toys. Okay? Here.
Which one? Oh, a pork clip. Look at this. Oh, come here. Let's buy. Check more. Yeah, see? A toy box. See, oh.
A toy patch.
Wow, there's a lot of toys.
This is
Here.
the
Oh. A police car. Look at that.
this cord.
Yeah. You like it?
This cord.
Show to Lola Mommy it's a police.
Yes. Also to your mommy, this cord.
Here, it's not there.
This cord.
Where is Lola Mommy?
Oh, mommy.
Sus, talaga naman. Sus.
There's a monster's truck also. See, look at that. What you want?
Excavator. I like the excavator.
This one, excavator or a monster's truck? I like this one.
I like a motor.
You have a lot of monster's truck at home. Look at this. See, nanay. Oh.
Yeah, this is nice. This is better.
20. This is 20.
Okay.
Kuya, oh. Ano sa tingin mo?
Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Oo, ito, yung may gantong maliliit. Malalaki, oh.
Ayoko na lang remote.
Ah,
Di naman yan nilalaro eh.
this one, oh, it's stable, oh. Kuya is taking your toys. If, maybe it will karaba. Kuya Yusuf is watching his toys. Oh. Look, your willow there. It's not going up, down?
No.
Hmm? It's only down like that? It's not good, Kuya.
Yes, it's not good.
Yeah. If it's not going up and down, oh. And it's not going up. Oh, you want try? Try. Back. Oh, you like it? You like it?
Number 5, double.
You like the bread?
Yes.
Ayun yung ano niya. Will loader niya. Tapos dito kami sa may Carrefour. Bibili kami ng diaper ni Bunso. Ay, sila Habibti. Tsaka sila Lamam. Yeah? You like it, Kuya?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
What you will say?
Thank you po.
Oh, very good. Yummy, huh?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes po.